interaction. Hi Mokshit, how are you?
Yeah, hi Akshay. I'm fine now. How about you, Akshay?
I'm doing great, buddy. So, firstly, congratulations to you for being placed at Value Momentum, man.
Thank you, Akshay.
So, Mokshit, nothing, man. For us, for our audience, just try to explain everything about Value Momentum hiring procedure.
Yeah, it's an the company called the Value Momentum from Hyderabad,
Okay.
where it will be as usual as the other companies where TCS, Wipro, and other companies how they'll hire.
Mm-hmm.
And so the very first thing which all the other companies take up is the aptitude or how we can say it as a written test,
Mm-hmm.
where it will be as an aptitude, comprehensive,
Okay.
and the psychometric tests.
Mm-hmm.
And even with that, we still have some coding questions also with
Okay.
that.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, the aptitude is like the normal way,
Mm-hmm.
and the comprehensive was little tough
Okay.
because here in the value momentum they'll be checking up the quality of the communication,
Okay. Mm.
and even I can say it as an communication skills also.
Agreed.
So it was good enough for me
Mm-hmm.
with the aptitude and the comprehensive.
Okay.
Anyway, anyone can crack the psychometric test as well.
Okay.
So the written test was good and well for me.
Got it, Mokshit, got it. So, Mokshit, specifically speaking about the coding part. So, what is the difficulty level of questions, man? Is it easy or just basics of programming language like that?
So as of I know, there were two coding questions,
Okay.
in which one was the very easier one,
Mm-hmm.
where any basic level coder can crack
Okay.
that also.
Mm-hmm.
And the second coding part is okay, little tough,
Okay.
but we can crack it. It's
Okay.
not nothing like a difficult part, or we cannot
Mm-hmm.
understand the
Okay.
concept there, or understanding the input and outputs. Nothing like that.
Okay.
It's a normal coding, and we can understand the reasonings there,
Okay.
and we
Got it.
can do the coding very well.
Okay. Speaking about second question, as you mentioned, is it like data sector kind of questions or just basic one?
It's an basic one with a little complicated, but it's an basic one. Both questions are
Okay.
the simple and normal itself.
Arrays kind of questions, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. So, Mokshit, what was the time taken to get the assessment result?
So, well, it was for me taken around 16 to 18 days, I think so.
Okay,
Even,
almost 2 weeks. Okay.
yeah, it's not 2 weeks, it's more than 2 weeks actually.
Okay. Ah.
So, as of I have taken the other tests on November 18th, and
Okay.
I got results on December 7th or 8th something.
Okay.
Because every time I used to check my mails, or whether I got the result or what,
Yeah.
whether I got. If suddenly pop up any mails, means even I would have taken that. Oh, I got the results. No, still. But they have some of the procedures with the value momentum also. There were a huge amount of cadets there.
Uh-huh.
So it took some time, but it was a very good result for me also there.
It's, like got it. We understand your concern, Mokshit. It's because since it's being a first job to you, there will be a kind of happiness and curiosity exists, you know. And
Exactly.
so got it, Mokshit. Regarding assessment, I got clear idea. So coming to TR and HR, any talk on that?
Yeah, as coming to the technical round and the HR round, it will be based on the cadet or a
Okay.
candidate where uh, there might, for some of them, there might be the technical round or the HR round.
Okay.
But as of now, for me, they have taken the group discussion.
Okay.
So where there will be a panel member with that, and around 7 to 8 members will be present in that group discussion meeting, where it will be taken in the virtual mode itself. And so my suggestion to the candidates who are applying for the value momentum is, for the group discussion thing or the round, where I can say improvise your communication skills as much as better as you can.
Okay.
Where the panel member will be observing very confidently and very accurately there. Well, if you have given any of the topic, try to take up some of the points as much as you can.
Okay.
And also, I would like to say, give the live examples. It's like it might be the current affairs of past 3 or 6 months. You can take up the examples from there also.
Okay.
And you can also, I suggest that give some of the examples like related to the topic itself,
Okay.
but not unrelevant to that. related to the topic. Give one or two examples, and the main very point is just try to conclude very well.
Okay.
Because the panel member will be watching or observing very carefully that whether he'll conclude the point or the topic very well or not. So this is the only suggestion where I could say for the group discussion round.
Got it, Mokshit. Got it. So Mokshit, like I just have a small doubt. Like as you mentioned that in a group there will be 7 members, right? So are they dividing the group into like three by three? Like what is the division? How this GD will occur?
No, there might be the two chances here.
Okay.
For the group discussion, there will be a topic. Obviously, there is no change in that.
Okay.
It will be decided on the topic itself whether the group has to be made or they'll not do any group.
Okay.
So the first possibility is where it will be decided on the topic whether they have to talk in a positive way or a negative way. Where I can say the example as there was a topic which I heard from the value momentum group discussion itself with that whether it is better that the online classes or the offline classes.
Okay.
So in that I could see there were 6 members of students that were appeared for the group discussion.
Okay.
So among that 5 were towards the offline and 1 was on the online.
Okay.
So compatibility like
yeah, Mokshit, I got it. I got it.
Yeah, talking positive and negative way there.
Got
so it will be positive for the 5 members there. They can talk easily, they can make over the points easily, they can give the examples easily.
Yeah.
But the very one point is the very main important point is the one person who is talking negatively. So that challenges the matter.
Yeah.
In that, even I got the result that there were only the 2 members who got selected in that topic, and the one was the negative one.
Okay.
The very first one who got the offer letter from that.
Got it.
So these kind of topics matters very well in the group discussion there.
Got it, Mokshit. Got it. So Mokshit, what was the time taken to get the GD result?
It's around more than 2 weeks. It's around like nearly 20 days, I can say.
Okay, more than 2 weeks. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. So any talk on role and responsibility, Mokshit?
Role was software engineer trainee.
Okay.
With grade A1 with a 4 lakhs package, where it is a big amount for the fresher engineer also.
Okay. Is there any bond, Mokshit?
Yeah, it's a bond of 2 years with the joining.
Okay.
And they have given the joining for 20th June and 2022.
Okay.
Within that, we should have to join. As of now, currently the COVID crisis are there. They have given the option for the work from home itself.
Okay.
But later on, if the company rules has been changed and the COVID crisis get calmed down, they'll obviously make sure us to come to the Hyderabad itself, as it is an Hyderabad company there.
Got it. So GD was the final round, right? No HR, nothing about that.
Yeah, nothing about that. I could say it as the all background verification will be done after the GD itself. After that, they'll be releasing the offer letters.
Got it, Mokshit. Got it. So Mokshit, almost we are done with the interview. Last question. Any suggestion to audience, Mokshit?
How could I suggest this like that? If you're applying for the value momentum, it's a great company there, and they are offering the good package with a good role designation. I would like to suggest my juniors or my colleagues or my friends, just if you have an opportunity to the value momentum, please don't just miss it. Please don't miss that.
Yes.
Just apply it, crack it. You can crack it. Everyone can crack that.
Great, Mokshit. Great.
So it's a good opportunity from the value momentum there.
So Mokshit, almost we are done with the interview, and I would like to thank you for making time and joining us, giving your inputs to audience. And I think that our audience will make use of your inputs and try to implement in their preparation and see a positive impact. And yeah, guys, this is all about today's interview experience. And if you're not yet seen our previous video, just click on our link and go through that and have a look into that. And if you want to be a part of our Telegram community group, just click on below link. Just click and join the group. And if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, share the channel, and hit the like button. And Mokshit, thank you, man, once again for joining us today.
Thank you, Akshay.
And yeah, guys, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care.